Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to solve a 6 by 6 cube. First of all, you need to watch my 4 by 4 and 5 by 5 videos, since those are going to be the most important videos and the exact same steps are going to be repeated now. Just that with more pieces. So just keep that in mind, and now let's get on to solving the 6 by 6. Okay, so first step, we need to get all the centers, just like in the other two. Of course, we need to make a bar. So let's see. We need the most inner centers, and we need it to be on this area. So we can get a center. We can place it in that area where we need it to go. So top right, right? Yeah, top right. And let's move it up. Once we've made the bar, let's continue making them. So next, here we have a lot of them. So let's just move this bunch up a little. You should know how to do this by now. And once that's done, again, it's top right. So let's search for it. Oh, yeah, this is the inner one. So the inner centers, again, top right, since we need this to be top right too. And move it over so that it is matched up. And bring it to the top. Next, let's form a bar with these. Why not? So let's see. Let's bring this up. Yeah, it matches perfectly. So the corner, let's move it to the side. Do we need to go on the top right? So we have to turn this to the top right. And then put it in the place. Next, the bottom right. So let's check around. There's nothing there. Oh wait, there's one over here. So, oh wait, there's this too. Right, so bottom right. Let's move it in. So, once you're done moving it in, now what you have to do is, you can either do two things. You can just put it up, or you can make a second bar. I recommend if you're doing this the first time, just put it up. It's way easier, and plus you can always learn later how to do that. Anyways, next bar. Let's bottom right again. So let's turn this to the bottom right and move it in like so. And once we've moved it in, we need the corresponding edge centers. I call these edge centers, and these are corner centers, and these are inner centers or center centers. Over the edge is right here. So again, spin this down, move this to the side, spin this back up. This is gonna match up, so let's match it up and put it in. We have solved this area now, the center. Now again, flip over, so that yellow. You should know the color scheme by now, because if you've learned the 4x4 and 5x5, you should know them. Anyways, move this away. It gets stuck sometimes. Oh, that's a huge bunch. Anyways, up, because we need up. Yeah. Now we need the inner center. Here's the inner center, and let's move it to the top left side. Is this an inner center? No, it isn't. It's an outer center. Okay, this is an inner center. So let's move it to the top left. And let's move this in. And we formed a bar. Now put it up. And of course, since the white is gone, move it to the side and back. And again, we need to match up one of these as the inner center. So let's search for some inner centers. Oh, this is an inner center. So top right. Oh, it's too far. Anyways, let's move this in. And now we need the edge, not a corner, an edge center. This is the one. No, it will not match up. Let's turn this. What about this one? Yeah, this one will match up. Anyways, it's done. So again, this time, instead of like the 5x5, you cannot just move it up beside it, since the white goes up. So you need to do the same trick as the 4x4. Align them on the same layer. Move it up, over to the side, bring it back. So it is the same step as the 4x4, except you need to do it with the inner layers too, not just the outer layers. Okay. And by outer layers, I do not mean the edges, not the absolute edges. I mean the outer centers. Okay. So now let's see a corner. So let's take this corner too and let's spread it up. So let's go to this side. Yeah, to this side. Let's move it in. Let's get one of these edges in. So let's move this like that. Let's move it. Let's move this to here. Move this back. Oh yeah, anyway, we need this to go down. So let's put that up to the side and back down. Oh wait, no, that didn't do what we needed. So we need to bring it down, move it to the side and bring it back up. It's really just exploration because it's the same thing as the 5x5. In fact, I almost learned this myself, except for one hiccup called a commutator. That is the only thing you will require now. And I could write the algorithm, but it's so easy to remember. It's just like a pattern. So I will not be showing an algorithm sheet at the end of the video. Instead, I will just show you what a commutator is. Okay, so those were the first two centers. And I will show you the next two centers in the next video, part 2. Okay, bye.